As I mentioned before in one of my previous videos, I had quite a nasty crash, and it actually broke this join here, coming down from a rod from a fly bar down to a blade clamp, and it sheared off here and left a thread in the blade clamp, and I just tried to get it out and I couldn't get it out. So what I decided to do was drill the thread out of the blade clamp, and I used an Allen key threaded bar with a nut on each side of the blade clamp and a washer, done that up nice and tight, and used one of these little ball joins in the rod, plastic rod, which comes down from the fly bar, and fed the threaded bar through there, through my blade clamp, like I said, with a nut on each side and a washer, and done that up nice and tight. And as there's plenty of movement here still, that's the only part that really needs to move. There's plenty of give there, and that seems to have done the trick. I mean, if anyone's got any better suggestions of what I should have done, then please let me know. But it seems to be all good. I mean, the only alternative really was to buy a new set of these CNC blade clamps. But I had a go at trying to repair it, and it seems to be okay. Let's just plug it in. So there you go, a repair of a blade clamp, which hopefully will be okay.